This one's better. Huh. There was a very faint beep just now. Let's wait a minute for the next green flash. Oh, did it just flash? No. Right, well there was the power button. The instructions said something about 4-minute self-test at the start, but I believe I've got it all set up. I've clipped the back in. There's no gap. The 3 lights flashed when I clipped it in. So let's see what the test button does.
The most relaxing music.
Oh, nothing at all. I'm not getting anything with this. It seems to flash its lights okay, but there's not a sound. I put the radio on to give some kind of nominal background noise level. The radio's not particularly loud. Oh, I'm not even getting... Oh, there we go. This is the second unit. Let me go get the first unit. Right, here's the first unit. Let me put them in the right order so I don't get them muddled up. And this wasn't making much noise at all before. Let me press this test button and see what happens. Extreme, sort of a scratch, a low volume scratch. This one goes... nothing. Nothing at all. Huh. So I'm not really getting the point of what's up here, because the manufacturer said this was supposed to be the same volume as the actual alarm when you click test, and all I'm getting is that. And this isn't doing anything, it seems. New unit. I'll have to get back to them.